Hello and welcome back to a new video. This is a highly requested video, not only from people who watch my videos and don't know me personally, but from my friends and my family. They want to know how this is done. So I'm gonna take you step by step how I normally lay my baby hairs. I'm gonna make it as easy as possible to follow along. So just watch and learn. Okay, let's get into it. So whenever I'm doing my edges, I either use this Cantu control paste or I use this Kiss Argan and Macadamia edge fixer. I may also use Eco Styler. I saw someone using this olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil and flaxseed Eco Styler gel. So I wanted to try this out and see how it did what it does. You know, is it worth it? Let me work it. And I will either use an edge brush like this, or I will use a spoolie. They're basically reusable eyebrow or eyelash brushes. Where can you get it? Amazon or Sephora, you know, they're right there. But today I went to the beauty supply store and I actually found an edge brush that has a spoolie on the end. I thought that was my dirty little secret. Little did I know, this is being manufactured. So let's get into it. That smell reminds me of vacation. Ooh, and I like a handsome man. So starting from the top of my head, I like to swoop my baby hairs in the direction my hair naturally goes. So as you can see, mine swings to the right. All I do is dip that spoolie in a bit of my gel, Eco Styler, whatever I'm using, and begin applying it using a swinging motion. I also found it really helpful to use my middle finger to hold my hair in place right before I swing that spoolie back. The same thing happens with an edge brush, but especially with this spoolie, the bristles on that spoolie tend to grab little hairs sometimes, so holding it in place really gives you more control. I don't know what I would do without my middle finger. Then I move on to the sides. This is the same process, but it has a little different technique. Okay, so I grab a little more of that Eco Styler gel, I brush down, and without changing position, I slide that spoolie back. So as you can see, I'm kind of going in an L motion. I'm not really pulling my baby hairs out forward towards my forehead. I'm kind of keeping it in place somewhat and pulling back. And when you do it this way, it really gives an illusion of fuller edges and just looks so good with ponytails and buns. I repeat that same process for the second row. Now if you can see on that first row, that Eco Styler is starting to lift up a bit. This is not having the hold that I would want my gel to have. So I went over it a bit with that Cantu control paste because it's thicker and I know for a fact using this gel will keep it in place no matter what. Lastly, for that little swoop by my ear, I like to add extra Eco Styler to actually pull the hair back. This helps me better see how much hair I'm pulling forward. And I do that same L motion that I've been doing for each row, but this is a mini one, real tiny L. And that little remaining hair, I just coat it with the gel that's on the spoolie. I let it curl up and I just tap it into place. So far, so good. Oh, it looks good. It looks good. I repeat the same exact steps on the other side. Because my hairstyle for the day is just a simple natural bun, I use the edge brush to add in more Eco Styler all across my head to give more of a wet look. Now to seal everything in place, I use a rapid styling strip. I love these strips. I take that strip and gently lay it on my edges, wrap it around my head, and secure it by twisting it.
Wait, just made this?
I must say, nothing is more satisfying. It came out exactly how I wanted. I've outdone myself. Thank you for watching. I really hope this tutorial was easy to follow and helpful for people out there. Please comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. It's right there. Is it here or here? It's there. I'll see you in my next video. I've been pretty consistent, dropping a video every Monday and Thursday. So whatever day this is, see you the next day. Bye, y'all. Peace out.